Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of direct deposit for Social Security. If you're receiving Social Security benefits, you might have heard about direct deposit, but what exactly does it mean? In simple terms, direct deposit is a secure and convenient way to receive your payments electronically straight into your bank account. No more waiting for checks in the mail or making trips to the bank. In this video, we'll explain how direct deposit works, why it's beneficial, and walk you through the steps to set it up for your Social Security payments. Let's get started by understanding the basics. Direct deposit is a method of transferring funds electronically from one account to another. For Social Security recipients, this means your monthly benefit is sent directly to your chosen bank or credit union account. This process eliminates the need for paper checks, making it faster and more reliable. With direct deposit, you don't have to worry about lost or stolen checks, and your money is available as soon as it's deposited. It's a widely used system, not just for Social Security, but for payroll and other government payments as well. There are several reasons why direct deposit is the preferred method for receiving Social Security payments. First, it's incredibly convenient. Your money arrives automatically each month, so you don't have to visit the bank or wait for the mail. Second, it's secure. Electronic transfers reduce the risk of lost or stolen checks. Third, it's fast. Funds are typically available immediately on your payment date. And finally, its reliable payments are rarely delayed, even during bad weather or postal disruptions. Direct deposit is available to anyone receiving Social Security benefits, including retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. It's also available for Supplemental Security Income, SSI recipients. Whether you're new to Social Security or have been receiving payments for years, you can switch to direct deposit at any time. The process is straightforward, and most banks and credit unions in the United States support direct deposit for government payments. When you set up direct deposit for Social Security, the Social Security Administration, SSA, electronically transfers your monthly benefit to your designated bank or credit union account. On your payment date, the funds are automatically deposited, and you can access them right away. This process is handled securely using your account and routing numbers to ensure the money goes to the correct place. You'll receive a notice from your bank or the SSA confirming each deposit. Let's recap the main benefits of using direct deposit for your Social Security payments. It's safe, reducing the risk of theft or loss. It's fast, with funds available immediately. It's convenient, saving you trips to the bank. And it's reliable, ensuring you get your money on time, every time. These advantages make direct deposit the preferred choice for millions of Social Security recipients across the country. Setting up direct deposit for your Social Security payments is a straightforward process. You'll need your bank or credit union's routing number and your account number. These can usually be found on your checks or by contacting your financial institution. Once you have this information, you can set up direct deposit online, by phone, or in person. We'll walk you through each of these options in the next few scenes. Before you begin, make sure you have the necessary information on hand. This includes your Social Security number, your bank or credit union's routing number, and your personal account number. If you're unsure where to find these, your bank can help. Having these details ready will make the setup process quick and easy. One of the easiest ways to set up direct deposit is online. Visit the Social Security Administration's official website and log into your account. From there, you can update your payment information by entering your bank's routing number and your account number. Follow the prompts to confirm your changes. The online process is secure and can be completed in just a few minutes. If you prefer, you can set up direct deposit by phone. Call the Social Security Administration's toll-free number and follow the automated prompts, or speak with a representative. You'll need to provide your Social Security number, bank routing number, and account number. The representative will guide you through the process and confirm your new payment method. You can also set up direct deposit in person by visiting your local Social Security office or your bank. Bring your Social Security number, bank routing number, and account number with you. A representative will help you complete the necessary forms and ensure your payments are directed to the correct account. This option is helpful if you prefer face-to-face assistance or have questions about the process. If you don't have a bank account, you can still receive your Social Security payments electronically using the Direct Express debit card. This prepaid debit card is issued by the U.S. Treasury and works like a regular debit card. Your benefits are loaded onto the card each month, and you can use it to make purchases, withdraw cash, or pay bills. It's a secure and convenient alternative to direct deposit into a traditional bank account. With the Direct Express debit card, your Social Security benefits are automatically loaded onto your card each month. You can use the card anywhere that accepts MasterCard, withdraw cash from ATMs, and check your balance online or by phone. There are no monthly fees, and you don't need a credit check to qualify. This option is especially helpful for those who prefer not to use a traditional bank account. If you need to change your direct deposit information, such as switching banks or updating your account number, you can do so easily. Use the same methods as setting up direct deposit, online, by phone, or in person. Be sure to have your new bank details ready. The Social Security Administration will process your request and confirm when the change takes effect, usually within 1 or 2 payment cycles. After you update your direct deposit information, it may take 1 or 2 payment cycles for the change to be processed. During this time, you may still receive payments to your old account. The Social Security Administration will notify you once your new direct deposit is active. It's important to keep your old account open until you confirm the switch has been completed. Direct deposit is one of the safest ways to receive your Social Security payments. Electronic transfers are encrypted and protected by multiple layers of security. Unlike paper checks, there's no risk of your payment being lost or stolen in the mail. Banks and the Social Security Administration use advanced technology to monitor and protect your transactions, giving you peace of mind. While direct deposit is secure, it's important to be aware of potential scams. The Social Security Administration will never call or email you to ask for your bank information. If you receive suspicious messages or requests, do not respond. Always use official channels such as the SSA website or phone number when updating your payment information. Protect your personal details and report any suspicious activity immediately. Since 2013, the U.S. government requires most Social Security recipients to receive payments electronically. If you don't set up direct deposit or a direct express card, you may experience delays or issues with your payments. Paper checks are only allowed in rare cases. Setting up direct deposit ensures you receive your benefits on time and without hassle. If you ever have trouble with your direct deposit, such as a missed payment or incorrect deposit, contact the Social Security Administration right away. They can help track your payment and resolve any issues. It's also a good idea to check with your bank to ensure your account is active and able to receive deposits. Most problems can be fixed quickly with the right information. It's important to keep your bank account information up to date with the Social Security Administration. If you change banks or close your account, update your direct deposit details as soon as possible. This will prevent any interruptions in your benefit payments and ensure your money always arrives safely and on time. Supplemental Security Income, SSI recipients, can also use direct deposit to receive their monthly payments. The process is the same as for Social Security benefits. You'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Direct deposit ensures your SSI payments are delivered securely and on time every month. If you're a representative payee managing Social Security benefits for someone else, you can set up direct deposit into a dedicated account for the beneficiary. This ensures the funds are used for the recipient's needs and are kept separate from your own finances. The Social Security Administration provides guidance for representative payees to help manage benefits responsibly. If you live outside the United States, you may still be able to receive your Social Security payments by direct deposit. The Social Security Administration partners with banks in many countries to offer international direct deposit. Check with the SSA or your local U.S. embassy to see if this service is available in your country and to learn how to set it up. You can have your Social Security payments deposited into a joint account that you share with someone else, such as a spouse. Just make sure your name is listed on the account. This can make managing household finances easier, but be sure to keep your account information secure and up to date. If a minor is receiving Social Security benefits, a parent or guardian can set up direct deposit into an account managed for the child's benefit. The process is similar to that for adults, and the funds must be used for the child's needs. The Social Security Administration provides resources to help parents and guardians manage these payments responsibly. If you receive Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, you can use direct deposit just like other beneficiaries. The setup process is the same, and you'll enjoy the same security and convenience. Direct deposit ensures your disability benefits are delivered reliably, so you can focus on your health and well-being. Survivor benefits, paid to spouses or children of deceased workers, can also be received via direct deposit. The process is identical to other Social Security payments. This ensures survivors receive their benefits securely and without delay, providing important financial support during difficult times. If you're receiving Social Security retirement benefits, direct deposit is the recommended way to get your monthly payments. It's fast, safe, and convenient. You can set it up at any time, and your funds will be delivered directly to your chosen account, ready for you to use as needed. Spousal benefits, paid to the spouse of a Social Security recipient, can also be received through direct deposit. The process is the same as for other types of benefits. This ensures both you and your spouse receive your payments securely and on time, making financial planning easier. If you're an ex-spouse eligible for Social Security benefits, you can also use direct deposit. The setup process is identical, and you'll receive your payments directly into your chosen account. This option provides privacy and security, ensuring you have control over your benefits. Adopted children who receive Social Security benefits can have their payments deposited directly into an account managed by a parent or guardian. The process is the same as for biological children, and the funds must be used for the child's benefit. This ensures adopted children receive their support securely and efficiently. Foster children who qualify for Social Security benefits can also receive payments via direct deposit. The funds are deposited into an account managed by the foster parent or guardian, ensuring the money is used for the child's needs. The Social Security Administration provides guidance for foster parents to manage these payments responsibly. Veterans who receive Social Security benefits can use direct deposit to receive their payments. This option is especially helpful for veterans who may travel or relocate frequently. Direct deposit ensures your benefits are always delivered securely, no matter where you are. Non-citizens who are eligible for Social Security benefits can also use direct deposit. The process is the same as for U.S. citizens. This ensures all eligible recipients have access to secure and timely payments, regardless of citizenship status. Temporary residents who qualify for Social Security benefits can also set up direct deposit. This is especially useful for those who may move frequently or have changing addresses. Direct deposit ensures your payments are delivered securely no matter where you are living. If you're a college student receiving Social Security benefits, you can have your payments deposited directly into your student or personal account. This makes it easy to manage your finances while you're away at school and ensures you always have access to your funds. Military families who receive Social Security benefits can use direct deposit to ensure their payments are delivered securely, even if they are stationed overseas or move frequently. This option provides peace of mind and reliable access to funds no matter where you are in the world. Caregivers managing Social Security benefits for someone else can set up direct deposit into a dedicated account for the beneficiary. This ensures the funds are used appropriately and are kept separate from the caregiver's personal finances. The Social Security Administration offers resources to help caregivers manage benefits responsibly. Social Security payments can be deposited into a trust account if the beneficiary requires special financial management. This is often used for individuals with disabilities or those who need assistance managing their money. The Social Security Administration can provide guidance on setting up and managing trust accounts for benefit payments. If you live in a group home and receive Social Security benefits, direct deposit can be set up to ensure your payments are managed securely. The funds can be deposited into an account managed by the group home or a representative payee, ensuring your needs are met and your money is handled responsibly. Residents of nursing homes who receive Social Security benefits can also use direct deposit. Payments can be directed to an account managed by the facility or a representative payee. This ensures timely and secure delivery of funds for residents' needs. Even if you don't have a permanent address, you can still receive Social Security payments via direct deposit. Many shelters and social service agencies can help you set up an account or a Direct Express card. This ensures you have reliable access to your benefits, regardless of your living situation. Prisoners are generally not eligible to receive Social Security benefits while incarcerated. However, if benefits are reinstated after release, direct deposit can be set up to ensure timely and secure payments. The Social Security Administration provides information on how to restart benefits and set up direct deposit after incarceration. To sum up, direct deposit is the safest, fastest, and most reliable way to receive your Social Security payments. Whether you're a retiree, a person with a disability, a survivor, or a representative payee, direct deposit ensures your funds are delivered securely and on time. Setting it up is easy, and there are options for everyone, regardless of your banking situation. Thank you for joining us to learn about direct deposit for Social Security. Remember, direct deposit is designed to make your life easier and your payments more secure. If you have questions or need help setting up direct deposit, visit the Social Security Administration's website or contact their helpline. Take advantage of this convenient service and enjoy peace of mind knowing your benefits are always delivered safely.